This is $1,500 worth of PC components, and this is one of my best friend's sons, Hunter. Hunter is in desperate need of a new PC, and we're going to give him one. We just need to build it first. Hunter has no idea we've built this PC for him, and I think it's gonna blow his mind when he sees this thing. Until very recently, he's been gaming on an FX 8350 system with a 2GB Radeon HD 7870 GPU. I say until recently because while I was in the process of making this video, his PC totally took a dump on him and is no longer working. This was his primary machine for doing his schoolwork as well as gaming, so its death is a pretty big blow, as I'm sure many of you can imagine. Hunter is one of those kids who is super kind to everyone he knows, always willing to help, never expecting anything in return. He's currently finishing up his sophomore year of high school, is a straight A student, and a very accomplished athlete. This past year, he played varsity on his high school's football and soccer teams, as well as on their JV baseball team. And I think it's only a matter of time before he's playing varsity baseball too. The track team even tried to recruit him, but he was just too busy with other commitments to accept. He has a love of learning, is hardworking, loves his family and friends, and I think you get it. He's just a good kid who I feel is deserving of some good fortune coming his way. Before we go and hand this PC over to him though, here's a quick rundown of how it performs in 10 different games for those of you looking to purchase or build a rig with similar specs. All tests were run at 1080p with the graphical settings of each game set to their highest setting. Well, all of them except Ghost Recon Breakpoint, that is. In that game, I set the texture quality to high and the graphics to ultra, which is one step down from the highest setting. Normally, I'd go through each game one at a time and talk about the settings I used and what the frame rate came out at, and I think most people find that really boring, so we're going to just briefly show the benchmark results for each game and note the pertinent information on screen. And if there's a particular game you want to pause the video on and read the notes, by all means, feel free to do so. With that taken care of, it's time to box this PC up and get it mailed off to Hunter. Unbeknownst to Hunter, his new PC was now on its way. It took what were several agonizing days for me to get to him, but now for the fun part. Let's see what happened once it arrived.
Why are you recording me?
Say hi to everybody.
To who?
To YouTube.
You're not on YouTube.
Oh, this is going to be on YouTube.
It's not.
Oh, yes, it is. Do you know why?
What?
Say hi to everybody. Boy. Don't mess it up.
It's not going on YouTube.
Yes, it is.
What are you doing?
Yes, it is. Now that Hunter's calmed down, Hunter, who's your favorite YouTube celebrity that you play with on Saturday nights?
Just real quick, I don't consider myself to be any kind of celebrity whatsoever. So anyway, let's keep going here.
Brian, he thinks pretty highly of you, and so he decided he wanted to give you a little surprise. You want to go see what he has for a surprise for you?
What?
Do you want to see what surprise he has for you?
For me or him?
For you.
Oh. Sure.
Wow. Okay. Hunter, try to act, a little less excited, would you?
See what's behind those pieces of cardboard. What's that, Hunter?
Boxes. Oh, it's a computer case. The other thing, I'm not sure what he needs for the new age.
Why don't you pick up that one that looks like a computer case and see if it feels light like a computer case, or
It's definitely not a computer case.
do you think that there might be something more than a case in that box?
A computer.
I think we probably better go figure it out.
Yes, you better.
It is a computer. Wow. This is awesome.
That's pretty cool, huh?
Yeah.
So Brian, we're very grateful. I know Hunter is very grateful. I can tell he's having a hard time forming words right now, and I kind of am too. Now that I see this thing,
It's just like very surprising. Like, this is not something I would expect to just show up on the doorstep on a random Saturday.
No, yeah, I know. And then you look at that thing, and it's just like blinged out. It's like super clean. There's no wires in there anywhere. It's all tucked away. It's like polished, and yeah, I mean, that I think Hunter's gonna have some fun with that. In addition to doing all his homework for sure.
Yes, the homework machine.
Yes, the homework machine, but also a little bit of gaming. I think we might have to test that out tonight, Hunter. What do you think?
Yes.
Definitely? Okay.
Okay, now that was a lot of fun. Hunter, I hope you enjoy that new PC. And to all the rest of you, I hope you enjoyed the video.
All I can say is my friends are going to be very jealous, but...